Hey guys, welcome back to One to Step, and in this video I'm going to show you how to monetize your Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to monetize your Pinterest, there is no specific monetize feature into the Pinterest section, but you can do a lot of things to earn money from Pinterest. In order to know those options, you just simply have to search for Pinterest Grow and Succeed into the browser, then these options will appear. Just simply open how to grow your audience and make money on Pinterest option at the top, and this article will appear into here. You can read all the article, but the most important content here is this brand partnership option. It will give you the basic idea of the main money making skill into Pinterest. According to Pinterest, you firstly have to create a good Pinterest account which is engaging, and then you have to pitch brands for partnership. And then you can earn money by promoting their products or collaborating with them. Then after that, another very useful thing into Pinterest is links. By being an affiliate of any of the shopping company or any other corporates, you can copy your links and paste it to your pins, and then you can increase their sales and you will be profited from them. And you can also see so many other options for growing your Pinterest and making money into there in this site. You can see it by searching how to grow your audience and earn the money in Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.